Kani gade kapati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Kaken hon menteri jong Sorkar Jylla kebala syong jelang henne kasngi ke Arab Santerek Unaitong kala Mynjur ban Pyntreikam no Shen ya ke Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme Phase 4. Syabaro kinong syong ke Jylla Meghalaya bat ban kentiru ya ke song jera pisa na ke arlak prapo hajar tengka syaka sanlak tengka. Menteri badekmi ya ketnat ke kot kekhia uba Alexander L. Heng habai keren bat kinong patai kubor hadin ke jelang jong kaken hon menteri ulaong ba ke jing Pyntreikam ya ke MHIS Phase 4 kan long rengkat ba ke skim balapan bena da ke Sorkar pedeng ya ke balatep kum ke Perdana Menteri Rashtriya Swasthya Suraksha Mission.
Cabinet today, the proposal for implementation of Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme Phase 4 has been approved. This is in convergence with the new launch central government scheme called Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Swastika Suraksha Mission, that is Ayushman Bharat. We are going to increase from 2.80 to 5 lakhs rupees. That will be include the investigation, all kind of tests to be included in this new phase of the phase 4 of the mega insurance scheme.
And the coverage of this will reach out up to around 8.8 lakhs
Population.
Families. 8.8 lakhs families, which I personally feel this will be a very, very good sign for the people of the state. As I've said, as the Honourable Minister said, that they are entitled to receive the the medical reimbursement sort of up to 5 lakh rupees annually.
Kajelang jong kaken hon menteri hakani kasni kala Mynjur ro ban penkiono ya kajing se tulop syaki hinyo spa shiphongon kino hikai pre-primary school. Naka 100,000 tingka syaka 4,000 tingka shibnai. Kajing se ya kani katulop thamai Pyntreikam nadu ka Shiterek unailar menta usnam 4,000 pra.
We have also approved the proposal submitted by JD Department for the recommendation of the Advisory Committee for Meghalaya Day Award, and the department has recommended 3 names. Okay, 3 names who are entitled for Meghalaya Day Award. One is Srimati Bertha Kendai Dekhar, Bethany Society, Shillong, recommended for the award of Patukan and Sama for social service. Number 2, Shri Handam R. Marak, the craftsman. The award is Utirat Singh Award for Arts and Literature. And the third one is Shri Aiborlang Kongji, footballer. And the name of the award is Ukyang Nomba Award for excellence in sports games.
Kaken hon menteri hakani kajelang kala Mynjur ro ya ka kerteng jong ki laingot ki breu ki banyo priang ya ka kusnam Meghalaya Day Award. Bakan top ya ikong Bertha G Dekhar ibanyo priang ya ka kusnam Patogan Sangma. Nang ta uhandam ar marang ubanyo priang ya ka kusnam Utirot Singh bat uba Aiborlang Kongji ubanyo priang ya ka kusnam Kyang Nongba. Nalor kini kimat ki balai keren kaken hon menteri hakani kajelang kala Mynjur ro ya ka jingpen kha ya ka Meghalaya Rural Development Service. But ya ke Meghalaya Rural Engineering Service ki banha Papua Katanan jeng ke Community and Rural Development.
Again, the decision taken by the cabinet today is about the enhancement of grant in aid to government and non-government pre-primary school teachers. There were 710 numbers of teachers who are teaching in pre-primary level. And the government all these years, from 2012, they extended the grant of rupees 6,000 per month. 6,000 per month, their salary is 6,000 per month. And again, today, the Cabinet has approved the proposal of enhancement from 6,000 to 12,000 per month per teachers. Okay, per teachers. 6,000 to 12,000 per month, effective from 1st August 2018.
Jylla.